Hi guys, welcome. Thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this snow sport goggles by Snowledge. This is a nice carrying case, Snowledge logo. Comes with a thank you card and a user manual. Let's take a quick look. Overall, these goggles look pretty nice. They are permanent anti-fog. It has anti-UV 400 protection, durable TPU frame, adjustable straps, double layer lens, clear wide vision, the color of this goggle is called B Silver with a BLT rating of 23%. It looks really nice. The plastic is very durable and flexible, so it won't be easy to break. On the top above, here and here are air vents to help you prevent sweating and from fogging the glasses. As well, right here, once you remove this film, is an anti-fog lens. So it will not fog at all. This cushion is soft, very well padded, would feel very comfortable to put on. Here's the logo on the straps. The straps feels like it's very good quality. Very adjustable with different range of size. Now I will remove the protective film to give you guys an idea what VLT 23% looks like. I only got the chance to wear the goggles for a couple hours. They seemed to hold up very well. They did not fog up one bit. The only thing I did not like about these goggles was that it was okay to use a microfiber cloth to wipe the outside, but on the inside is a different story. If you use a microfiber cloth to wipe the inside, let's say if you got a fingerprint or some smudge, you will end up scratching the anti-fog layer with the microfiber cloth, but it's micro scratches, but it's not noticeable, so it's not too bad. That's my only complaint. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Peace out until next time.